Welcome to our channel. If you want to get a free credit report to monitor your financial health, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your report legally. Step 1. Visit annualcreditreport.com, the only website authorized by federal law to provide free credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. Step 2. Click on Request Your Free Credit Reports button in the center of the homepage to begin the secure request process. Step 3. Fill out the personal information form including your name, social security number, date of birth, and current address accurately. Step 4. Select which credit bureaus you want reports from. You can choose Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, or all 3 at once. Step 5. Complete the identity verification process by answering security questions based on your credit history and personal information. Step 6. Review your credit report online immediately or choose to download and save a PDF copy for your records and future reference. Step 7. Check for errors, unfamiliar accounts, or signs of identity theft. Look for incorrect personal information, accounts you didn't open, or inaccurate payment histories. Step 8. Dispute any errors you find by contacting the credit bureau directly through their dispute process. Federal law requires them to investigate within 30 days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.